What am I on, man? What am I on? I know, man. This is another exciting day for me, man. Guys, thank you for tuning in, man. Here we go, another unknown unboxing. Here we go. So, obviously, we didn't get this from Nike or Adidas. This is from one of our raffle wins. So, yeah, here we are, man. I mean, it adds a little bit of mystery to it as well, so I shouldn't complain too much, man. And we're still getting W's, so as long as we're still doing something. Try to open it at the same time as I see it all, so I'm not like thinking about it. We have 350s. You know what, yeah? So you always have like so many, like, you know, I mean, Yeezy been dropping crazy this month. I mean, it's Yeezember, like, for real. It really is Yeezember. But listen, guys. So I got into the Yeezys a bit late. No, I didn't really, because I still got the triple whites at the time when everybody was going mad for them. So that's calm. But I never fell out of the trading game. I was just like, whatever, you know. I weren't really like chasing. When these first come out, obviously I missed the boat, right? I missed it. And then there was even a 2.0. Didn't get them either. These were on my hit list for sure, like for real. So for those who don't know, so these are the Belugas. I didn't even read it, man. These are the Belugas. But as you know, I'm a massive fan of reflectives. These are the Beluga reflectives. There'll be some of you not liking it because it's not true, like grey, like the original Belugas will. I get it. There's lots of red in there where there wasn't before. But yeah, listen, I don't care. I love these, man. Listen, I'm gonna rock these. And what I like most of all, again, they're coming back with the supply 350s, you know, with the swoosh coming along it. So they can get one of my favorite colorways as well. And then they add on the reflective. Listen, I don't even know any video that we can do, you know, will do it justice to see the reflectiveness of it. I mean, I see one image of it, even from Adidas, where it was completely black and they managed to shine some light in it, and the way they were just sparkling. As I would say, they were just sparkling. So how you guys feeling about these, man? I'd love to see you bringing back the swoosh with the supply and tag on it. I'd like to see that again. I don't know, but is this reflective to you? It looks really like in your face. Oh, I'm so feeling these. I gotta get these on. Without a shadow of a doubt, these are my favourite Yeezy 350 colorways, and nothing more to say. Honestly, nothing more to say. Nothing more to say. I mean, nothing more to say. Oh, yeah, you know, there is the, you know, with the supply ones, there were the ones, you know, the coppers, and then the breeds, I guess, yeah, they're all good enough. But these are reflective. Unless he brings them back, does reflective on them, I don't know, man. But these are, yeah, man. Listen, cop them. Yeah, cop these. Because I see, the thing is about the supply 350 versions, like, is that it's very rare he brings them out again, you know. Yeah, he did do the blue tin not long ago, and they did a restock of the zebras. Yeah, I get that. But that distinctive swoosh going along it with the bright, contrast of the colours. So cop these, man. Cop these guys. I'm happy. I'm happy. It's gonna be a Christmas present to myself. One of them ones. But yeah, man. Listen. So how you guys feeling about them? Am I just going a bit crazy? Is it too much? What? Are you one of those guys? Nah. Once you do one colorway or the colorway, don't bring it out again. Are you in that camp? Some people are, and each one for themselves. But for me, I never cop them, so I'm gonna cop these, and I'm gonna keep these. I'm gonna rock these. I'm gonna be happy. But yeah, listen. Thank you for tuning in, and fingers and toes crossed, man. Another colorway hot on my list this year is the MX Rocks. The dark rocks. I'm just, oh man. So it's gonna drop next few days. So here we go, fingers and toes crossed, guys. And if we do, we're going to be right back here at you. But thank you for tuning in. God bless you.